So, to the Jambite heights there, who are willing to sit for the forthcoming examination, and you don't know how to manage your time. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily manage your time for the first subject you come across in your examination. So, Jambite, are you ready? How ready are you to sit for the forthcoming JAMB examination? And how can you maximize your time? So with that, that's brought us to time maximization. And what is time maximization? Ability for you to manage your time out of the number of hours given to you. Now, for the Jambite, why I said Jambite are you ready is because some students are willing to sit for the exam, but they don't know how to manage their time. Guys, we have 4 subjects is equal to 2 hours is equal to 180 question. I repeat, 4 subjects is equal to 2 hours equal to 180 questions. How? You are in arts department, you are in commercial department, you are in science department, and it is only one thing that is compulsory for the 3 departments, which is use of English. So now, if I want to make it out with this arts department now, use of English is the first subject, which is 60 question. For example, you want to study law. For you to study law, English is compulsory. You will take CRS, which is 40 question. You will take Lit in English, which is literature in English, which is what? 40 question. Then you will take government, which is what? 40 question as well. Now, that gives birth to what we call the 180 question we have there. If we are to make our time out of this, we said 2 hours equal to 180 question. 2 hours is equivalent to 120 minutes. Now, how can we share our 120 minutes with the 4 subjects you are sitting for? In some cases, I will tell my student one thing is, you can decide to pick the minute you want to spend on each question in as much as you know your strengths and your weakness. But that is not the case. Here will be 40 minutes to spend. We have 27 minutes to spend here. I have 27 minutes to spend, and I have 26 minutes to spend here. So this is equivalent to 120. If you should do your raw calculation very well. So let's take a look at that. We have 40 minutes plus 27 minutes plus 27 minutes plus 26 minutes. If you can see, we have 120 minutes. So if you are willing to study law, this is how you can manage your time. What is now left to you is that it depends on how far you want to share the 120 minutes. But the best way is for you to have 40 minutes for your English, which is 60 question. Then you spend 27 minutes respectively on the 3 other subjects, which is 40 question each. Now, if you want to study banking and finance. Are you with me now? The same thing is applicable to it. Now, let's take a look at that. If you want to study banking and finance, use of English, compulsory. You take your financial accounts, you take your economics, then lastly, economics, then you take your commerce. Now, the same thing, 60 question, 40 question, 40 question, 40 question. You see, over 180 question. 40 minutes, 27 minutes, 27 minutes, 27 minutes. This equivalent to what? 120 minutes, which will give us 2 hours. As a science student that want to study medicine, use of English, compulsory. You have chemistry, you have physics, and you have biology. So for this, is either you go with commerce or you say you have mathematics. Sorry, are you with me now? For that, you want to study banking and finance, financial accounts, economics, mathematics, preferably instead of using commerce. Please take note of that. Is that clear now? So for this, I have the same thing here: 60 question, 40 question for chemistry, 40 question for physics, why 40 question for biology, and we have to spend 120 minutes. As a science student, I would advise you to spend 35 minutes on English, or you can as well use that format for arts department, commercial department. So let's go. Here I have 27, here I have 27, and here I have 26 minutes, and here I have 40 minutes. So all the same, this is how you can maximize your time as a Jambite. That is why I said, how far are you ready for the examination? If I'm not mistaken, we're having 104 days to your exam. And Jambite, I repeat, are you ready? If you are not ready, this video is for you. The video will tell you how you can maximize your time. So before we go, 4 subjects, 2 hours and 180 question. So guys, if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and follow us on our TikTok page. Thank you.